This is an ad for Mattel.
By the power of Grayskull, I have the power!
Ooh, what does this do?
Whoa! Az, what is that sound?
Oh my goodness!
Lightning strike! Oh, hi Canyon. I'm just pretending that I'm He-Man. Can I play? I'll be Skeletor. No, he's a villain. I don't want to fight you. I want you to be the man-at-arms. No, Az, I want to be the villain. We can battle. No, Canyon. How about you be my sidekick, Cringer, and we could work together to attack the villains. No, Az, I still want to be Skeletor. No, you need to be a hero. No, I want a bad guy because bad guys have cool ships. But the good guys have cool armor. No, I want to be a good guy.
Whoa, listen. Actually, I have a solution for this. Follow me. Boys, these are iconic characters from Netflix He-Man and Masters of the Universe.
These are so cool! Az, there's Skeletor, and there's He-Man.
That's right, boys. Villains and heroes. Time for an epic battle. Go!
I will defeat you with the Staff of Havoc.
Well, I have the Sword of Power, the Sword of Grayskull, and I shall defeat you! Rah! Rah! Sing, sing, sing! Ha! I've almost got you!
I will bring in Beastman to help me steal that sword.
I shall use my Master Strike, the Lightning Strike!
Beastman, we need to go back to our castle. We got hurt. Let's go. Yes, sir.
I need to assemble the rest of the heroes. Tiger Tribe War! Roar! Battle Cat, come in. I'm here. These heroes are so cool, like Sorceress. She has a weapon called the Staff of Magic, and her Master Strike is the Wings of Zor. This is Battle Cat. He has the coolest weapons, the Claws of the Wild. They go boom!
Sir, He-Man almost defeated us. Oh, I know, I was there. We need to go to the next battle stronger.
For my next battle with Az, I need the whip and the scratcher for Beastman. Skeletor has this panther bike that he fits so perfectly on.
And his Staff of Havoc goes right in here. I will get the Sword of Power from He-Man. Join me, will you?
We must be better prepared for when Skeletor comes back.
AKA Canyon.
I shall go get my vehicle. And I'll go get Man-at-Arms. I'll just mark the spot for when you get back. Sorceress says you need me? Yes, we need you. Look how cool Man-at-Arms is. He's the master of technology. His Master Strike is speed build. Zoom! And I have my trusty vehicle. This vehicle is so cool. And it's my favorite color, green. Now we must find a great hiding spot so we can wait for the battle to begin.
I need to find Az and battle.
Az!
We found them, Beastman. Yes, we did. Let's go back.
Pew, 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 pew! Pew, 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 pew! Ah, he's too powerful! Battle Cat, defeat your nemesis! Oh, you got stuck!
I've been defeated by my nemesis!
But I still have Skeletor. He should defeat them. Oh, I've been defeated by Skeletor. I can't get up. Don't worry, Battle Cat. I will avenge you. Oh no, my bike is hit too. By the power of Grayskull, I have the power. The power of Grayskull will be mine, along with the sword.
I've been defeated!
Woo! He-Man wins!
As you know how I wanted to be a villain earlier? Well, now I want to be a hero too.
Yeah, and I wanted to try playing with the villain. Why don't we have one villain and 2 heroes each? Great idea! I want Sorceress and Battle Cat. Okay, and I want to use Skeletor.
Attack! Ow, that hurt, Beastman. Well, you're hurting me, Battle Cat.
Oh no, Beastman! The Master of Magic is here! Make Son of his birdie come out! Pew, 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 pew! Ah, you almost popped my wheel! Wow! I'll get you, Scratch!
This is an ad for Mattel.
Oh man, you defeated me! Again! Like you always do! Oh, nice work, Az! The heroes defeated the villains! Thanks, Canyon! Oh, it looks like you're about to defeat the villain too!
Horn strike.
Yep, I just did. Canyon, I've just realized you need heroes and villains to make a good story.
Yeah, Az, I agree. Thanks for letting me use some heroes.
Yeah, of course. Thanks for letting me use the villain. And thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hold, smash that subscribe button. We love you guys so much. As always, you are worth it. Bye, guys.
Make sure to check out Season 2 of He-Man and the Masters of the Universe, now streaming on Netflix.
Hey, bye.